Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to unsend messages on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and you want to unsend messages, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to the messages section. Now you just have to select the chat. Let's say I'm going to select this one. You just have to give a long press on the message which you want to delete. Let's say I'm going to select this one. Just keep a long press on it. Then select unsend option and then select unsend, and after that the message will be completely deleted or unsent. Or there's a second way. You just have to go to the profile section here. Now on this page you'll get a setting of disappearing messages. Just select that, and you must have to enable that to once they have been seen. Just select that option. So once you have selected, so just go back from here, and now you can see that whenever the person will see your messages, all of your messages will be completely removed or vanished. So just wait for the other person until they see your message. So here you can see that you have turned on display messages. And now once the other person has seen your messages and they left the chat, all of your messages will be vanished or deleted to the second person. So in this way, you can easily delete or unsend messages on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.